If your monitor keeps changing back to 60 Hz every time your PC wakes up from sleep, this video will walk you through several fixes that may help solve your problem. Welcome to Tiki Tech Tips. This issue usually isn't caused by a broken monitor. In most cases, Windows and your graphics driver don't reconnect to the monitor correctly after the computer wakes up. When that happens, Windows may only detect 60 Hz temporarily and automatically switch to it. First, check that Windows is actually set to use your monitor's highest refresh rate. Right-click on your desktop and open Display Settings. Scroll down and click Advanced Display. Make sure the correct monitor is selected, then choose the highest refresh rate available. If it was already set correctly, move on to the next step. The next fix is to disable Fast Startup. Fast Startup doesn't completely shut down Windows. Instead, it saves part of the system state so your PC can start faster. Sometimes this causes the graphics driver to restore the display incorrectly after sleep. Open the Control Panel, then go to Power Options. Click Choose what the power buttons do, then click Change settings that are currently unavailable. Uncheck Turn on Fast Startup, save your changes, and restart your computer. After restarting, put your PC to sleep and wake it up again to see if the problem is fixed. If you're still having the issue, the graphics driver may be the cause. If you're using Intel graphics like I am, download the latest graphics driver from Intel or from your computer manufacturer's support page if you're on a laptop. If the problem started immediately after updating your graphics driver, you can also try rolling back to the previous version. Another setting worth checking is PCI Express Link State Power Management. Windows can put your graphics hardware into a low power state while the computer is sleeping, and on some systems that can cause display problems after waking up. Go back to Power Options, click Change Plan Settings, then change Advanced Power Settings. Expand PCI Express, then Link State Power Management, and set it to Off. Click Apply, then OK, and test the issue again. If Windows still keeps switching to 60 Hz, try reinstalling your monitor. Open Device Manager. Expand the Monitors section, right-click your monitor, and choose Uninstall Device. Don't worry, this only removes the monitor from Windows. Restart your computer, and Windows will detect it again automatically. If you're using HDMI and your monitor also supports DisplayPort, it's worth trying a DisplayPort cable instead. High refresh rate monitors generally have fewer wake from sleep issues over DisplayPort, especially at 144 Hz or higher. If this video helped you, consider subscribing to Tiki Tech Tips. I make straightforward videos that help you fix common Windows and PC problems without wasting your time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.